Bizee, which used to go by Incfile, got popular by making it easy and affordable to start an LLC online. But even with a strong reputation, it's not everyone's dream solution. Plenty of business owners, they move on after dealing with slow customer support or finding out about hidden fees or things like expedited filings or EINs, which are costs that weren't obvious up front. Some folks also don't love getting pitched for add-on services that they weren't really planning to buy, which can kind of make you feel like you're being upsold at every turn. So if getting fast answers, total price transparency, and straightforward service is all that you really want, then exploring a few alternatives is a smart move before you submit your LLC paperwork. And trust me here, there are a few providers that really make the switch totally worth it. So let's go ahead and check out the top options. All right, so first, best overall, I have to go with Northwest Registered Agent. Northwest Registered Agent really stands out as the best Bizee alternative for anyone who values privacy and wants one-on-one support while forming an LLC. When you sign up, you get direct access via phone, chat, or email to real people who answer questions with real expertise, not canned responses. And the pricing is super clear as well, just $39 plus your state's filing fees for LLC formation, and you get your first year of registered agent service included in that. And after that, the registered agent service is $125 per year, which covers a professional business address and help with your legal mail or compliance reminders. But what really sets Northwest apart is how they treat your information. They won't sell your personal data or tack on surprise upsells. Their business address also goes on public records for you instead of your own address, so your details stay private. Also, filings are quick and often, they just take a couple of days. And if you hit a snag along the way, customer support is known for being very honest and direct, not just reading from a script. So if you want transparency, strong privacy, and real people actually guiding you, Northwest makes LLC formation smoother and less stressful than most other platforms. If this sounds like the best alternative for you, at any point during this video, you can go ahead and click right up here to learn more and get all the details. Plus, that link will actually get you the absolute best pricing available to save a few bucks. And if you use it, then you'll be, at no additional cost to you, you'll be supporting me, which I appreciate. Now, if you're interested in a platform that really balances affordability with modern extras and add-ons, then Zen Business could be just your speed instead. So let's talk about that. So next is the best budget-friendly LLC service, and I gotta give that to Zen Business. If you're watching your budget but still want a hassle-free way to form your LLC, Zen Business delivers a lot for very little. Their starter plan costs $0 plus state filing fees, making them a top pick if you're just starting out and don't want to drop a bunch of cash right away. Now, if you need a bit more, their Pro package at $199 per year really bundles in rush filing, compliance alerts, annual report filings, and EIN, and more, which is the sort of extras that take the stress and guesswork out of running a business. Zen Business is also super approachable for beginners. Their app and dashboard, it really walks you through the setup step by step, and customer reviews often mention how quick and friendly their support team actually is, so even total first-timers don't feel lost or overwhelmed by business jargon. Plus, you can add things as you go too, whether you need a registered agent, a business website, or ongoing compliance help, but there are additional costs to this. Just keep an eye out for those add-ons, since some of them can really stack up if you're not careful. But overall, if you want something that's really affordable, customizable, and designed with new entrepreneurs in mind, then Zen Business does give you the flexibility that you need without breaking the bank. And if Zen Business sounds like it might be a winner, again, for the absolute best possible pricing for that platform, just check out the link in the description below. Now up next, let's see how Swift Filings compares for small business owners who really want things done quickly and with extra flexibility. So in my opinion, Swift Filings is best for fast and flexible service. Swift Filings is a go-to for small business owners who want their LLC set up quickly and like having flexible package options. Their process is designed to be fast. Most people say it takes under about 15 minutes to complete the online application. And in many states, your business can be formed in as little as a few days. The basic LLC formation package starts at $49 plus state fees, and it includes essentials like name availability checks, document prep, and real-time order tracking. Now, one thing that really sets them apart is the sheer number of extras that you can add, like operating agreements, annual reports, and business licenses. So it's really easy to customize your service to fit exactly what you need, no more or less. Registered agent service is offered at $149 per year, which is a bit higher than average, but is a solid offering. So if you're in a hurry to launch or want everything done online, Swift Filing's speed, easy process, and tailored packages make it a great pick for entrepreneurs who really want to get their business off the ground without a lot of back and forth. And that's also linked to in the description below if you do need it. That said, if you still haven't made your selection, let's go ahead and talk about what features really matter most when picking an LLC formation service. So when you're picking an LLC formation service, it's easy to get distracted by the low prices and the flashy ads. In reality, the best services, they come down to really just a handful of features that make forming and running your business a whole lot smoother. First is reliable customer support, and that is key. Having someone that's knowledgeable and easy to reach for questions can really save you hours of frustration, especially navigating confusing state requirements or fixing paperwork mistakes. Second, you want truly transparent pricing. Look for companies that clearly lay out all their costs so that you're not caught off guard by, surprise upsells or, essentials like registered agent service or EIN filing or annual compliance reminders. Third, the speed and accuracy of filings, that obviously matters too. Some services can process your documents in just a couple of days, while others, they may take a week or more depending on the state. Fourth, you want to pay close attention to whether things like registered agent service, operating agreement templates, and compliance alerts are included or cost extra. These features really take care of the big legal headaches before they happen. And fifth, an intuitive, user-friendly online dashboard really makes every step easier, especially if you're new to the LLC world and want a process that you can really follow without a law degree. And finally, check that your chosen service has a good reputation. Lots of verified, customer reviews and clear satisfaction or refund policy are a great sign that you won't be left hanging. And by the way, all of these platforms I mentioned, they do have good, customer reviews, so you don't have to worry too much about that. Now, again, as a reminder, you can go ahead and click right up here to use Northwest Registered Agent, which is my #1 recommended alternative, or use the links in the description below to get the best pricing available for any of these platforms. These links, again, they help you save a little bit of money and they support the channel too, which I really appreciate. If you're still not 100% sure which platform to actually go with, or you have some really specific questions, please do me a favor and just ask them in the comments below, as I actually check those comments myself, and I would love to help you out. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.